everybody, Alisha here with Terradrift, and I don't know about you, but the travel bug is biting hard these days. Like, hard. Like, that itch needs to be scratched, yo, in the worst way. I haven't traveled anywhere in like 2 weeks. I'm dying. Anyway, so we were obviously stoked to get our hands on some rad new gear from the Peak Design travel line just in time for travel season, which is summer, I guess, for most people. Not us. Every season is travel season here at Terradrift, but that's beside the point. The point, you savvy traveler you, is that we're not only obsessed with travel, but travel bags, and also just a little with Peak Design. It's honestly getting a little embarrassing how much of their product range we own. No, it's not. Who am I kidding? In any case, this is the new 30-liter travel backpack, medium and small packing cube, and wash pouch. Because, who doesn't love a fully integrated travel kit? And if there's anybody who does integrated kits better than Peak Design, I haven't found them. But in addition to being obsessed with gear designed to work as one, I'm also real fond of organization, especially when I'm traveling, because that nonsense gets out of hand quickly. I mean, you should see my bag after about 15 minutes of arriving in a destination. It's like a bomb went off. There's just clothes everywhere. But that's what's so great about this system. It keeps the inside of your bag organized and in appropriate working order, and looks dang good doing it. So let's break down some of this stuff, starting with the 30-liter travel pack. It's rugged, water resistant, and is even expandable, which makes it perfect for shorter trips, but also everyday carry. It has a padded laptop sleeve, a must, that fits up to a 15-inch laptop, which means it's great for commuting in addition to travel. Important travel features include theft deterrent zipper pulls, a luggage pass-through for roller bag carry, and weatherproof nylon, which is also 100% recycled BT dubs. The bag has these rad straps too, which pivot to make for a more comfortable carry for a wider variety of folks, but check it. They also swivel around and you can stow them under this magnetically secured back panel. Too cool, right? And if you do stow the shoulder straps, which do feature a sternum strap, by the way, there are very solid handles on all 4 sides of the bag so that you can really get a good secure grip when tossing it into an overhead bin or some such. There are expandable side pockets on each side for water bottles, tripods, etc., which is absolutely necessary for a good travel bag, in my opinion. Plus a soft lined zipper pocket on the top front that's big enough for a book, sunnies, you name it. There are also organizational pockets inside that pocket. The inside of the bag also has a few mesh zipper pockets, though they're best for small, flattish items since they're not stretchy and don't expand. Think memory cards, passports, and power cables, not an extra pair of shoes. But another underrated feature, the interior is light gray, not black. If you've ever dug through a black bag to find a pair of headphones, socks, your passport, whatever, you know how aggravating that can be. Gray? Much better for finding things lost in the recesses. Not that there are recesses in this bag, because of how the whole back panel opens, you can expose everything inside the bag at once. Or not, if say you're on a bus or in a busy square. It's designed to hold 3 of Peak Design's packing cubes, or 2 and a wash pouch if you prefer. But it also fits the brand's camera cubes when the bag is fully expanded, if that's more of the type of carry you had in mind. If that's not enough space for your camera gear, there's also a 45-liter pack, just FYI. But on a recent 4-day road trip, I was able to fit everything I needed in this sucker. Laptop, power cables and hard drives, toiletries, all my clothes, a book, accessories like headphones and notepads, like literally everything. Except my camera, which was in its own Peak Design, of course, camera bag. The sling, to be precise. I told you, I'm obsessed. But let's move on to the wash pouch real quick, because I'm a sucker for a well-designed DOP kit. This is also made of 100% recycled and weatherproof materials. The black nylon is solution dyed, which uses a lot less water than traditional methods. The inside uses that same high-vis gray fabric, and the total volume is 2.5 liters, in case you want the specifics. And I dig it. It stands up on the counter, but can also also be hung on a shower curtain rod or hook without spilling stuff all over the place. And I like that there are two sides. It helps keep everything organized, which, did I mention I'm a fan of? But it also helps separate his from hers, because there were two of us. Do take note though that only the black gear from Peak Design is vegan. The other colors, at least for bags and such, feature leather patches, which honestly, Peak Design, why are we still doing that? But let's talk packing cubes, because honestly, I've never really been sure if I'm a packing cube type person, but dang, they really come in handy, especially when you travel like we do, where one backpack or duffel is serving multiple purposes on every trip. Like after we arrive at a destination, we typically empty our bags on the bed, back seat, in the tent, etc. Then repack them with whatever we need for a day on the town or the trail. Packing cubes kept everything organized and in one place so it didn't look like our bags just exploded all over the room. Super handy. Plus, it kept the inside of the bag organized so we could fit more stuff in. Like Tetris, I guess. And of course there's the compression aspect of these packing cubes too, which you don't get with most packing cubes. I was honestly super surprised how much fit in each cube. 10 shirts in the small, which expands from 4.9 to 9 liters, and 20 shirts in the large, which expands from 8 to 18 liters. Or if you're a practical human and don't just pack t-shirts, 2 pairs of shorts, leggings, 3 shirts, several pairs of socks and underwear, a swimsuit, a travel towel, and a hat fit in the medium with room to spare. Plus, there's a separate little zipper compartment on the bottom where you can stash dirty stuff separate from clean. Hey, cool, right? They're super easy and quick to open. Just pull on the tabs and voila. But they're not quite as easy and quick to close. Not a deal breaker in my book, as I'm usually in more of a hurry to dig stuff out than I am to put it back in, but there you have it. These are made of a 100% recycled, ultralight, weatherproof ripstop material, which is also self-healing, and the charcoal and sage fabric is solution dyed, while this raw color is completely undyed, which is the most sustainable option of all. Fun fact. Altogether, the products make for a pretty stellar packing system. No, it's definitely not a cheap packing system, but it is one that will last. I mean, this might be the last packing system you ever buy, and I think that's kind of the point. Plus, it comes from a brand that puts sustainability at the forefront of everything they do, and that's a bonus. As in, Peak Design is 100% carbon neutral. In fact, they helped found the program Certified Climate Neutral, and all of their products come with a lifetime guarantee. So if something goes wrong, they'll fix it or replace it, which keeps things out of landfills, but also keeps you from having to buy more gear. So yeah, you should go check out Peak Design's travel gear if you're in the market for a new bag and organizational tools. We'll put a link to all of it in the description below. But before you leave the YouTubes, it would be totally rad if you hit that thumbs up and click subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell so you can show your support of our channel and make sure you never miss a video. Because why would you want to do that? Then follow us on all the socials. You know the ones. We're at Terradrift on all of them. And be sure to check out terradrift.com where you'll find all sorts more content that isn't here on YouTube, like, I don't know, destination highlights and gift guides. Also, some dope Terradrift swag. Yup, we've got hats and shirts made of 100% organic cotton, cause what else? And as always, thanks for watching. Now travel organized and sustainably, obviously. Do I need to specify? And wander on. I say it's got 2 sides for his and hers, but let's be honest, Josh and I use the same with everything. Except for toothbrushes. I draw the line at toothbrushes. I don't want somebody else's toothbrush in my mouth. If that's you, no judgment. Like, I don't care if you share toothbrushes. Whatever, that's your decision. But me, personally, the last time I saw Josh using my toothbrush, I may have thrown a travel pillow at his head. Look at all the little pouches and so much organization, you guys. Just brings a tear to my eye and just warmth to my heart. So many places to just organize things. I'm gonna go put things in this and pretend that I have somewhere to be in the next week. It's gonna be great. Okay, here we go, everybody. Maybe I'll come visit you soon, because I just need to go somewhere. All right, fun time.